Hawaiians have also contributed a style of guitar playing called slack key or kiho'alu. Slack key is a style of playing the guitar which uses various kinds of keys. The keys are slack, and the resulting style with the type of rhythm and with the type of songs that are played is now known as slack key. But how that came about is not very clear, but it most likely developed when the vaqueros, or the Spanish cowboys, came to Hawaii and brought with them their guitars. And in time, the vaqueros not only taught their Hawaiian counterparts how to ride and lasso cattle, but also how to play the guitar, must have taught them that, and from there Hawaiians adapted the steel guitar, that is the slack key guitar method.
Raymond Kane is the recipient of the National Folk Heritage Award. We're awfully proud of that fact because only 11 people in the United States win this award. It's comparable to that of the Congressional Medal of Honor. So without further ado, one of our own sons of Hawaii, master of the kiho'alu, ladies and gentlemen, Raymond Kane.
Mahalo, Lord. I go to Washington to represent each and every one of you, not only for myself, but for Hawaii, the state of Hawaii, for each and every individual here. Remember, I go and represent you all. Aloha. Now at this time, we got these hula girls coming up here, and I'm going to sing a song in slack key, and the song is Po Mike Au. Every time I hear this song, it reminds me of Gary Pahanui, who was one of the greatest slack key players. And believe me, when I sing this song, it reminds me of Gary Pahanui. And well, he was my good friend. What can I say? History speaks for itself. And I go to Washington thinking of him too as well. He was the greatest of them all. Gabby Pahanui.